Would you like to create a website that looks similar to this one, but you do not want to invest a lot of money or time developing it? Then watch this video on how to do it. Hello and welcome on this video tutorial on how to create a website from scratch. What you need is hosting, domain name, and WordPress already installed on your domain. Also, you need to purchase this Elementor template kit. The links are in the description below for your website to look like this. Now let's start with the tutorial. After you've installed WordPress to your domain, go to your dashboard or WordPress admin, where you go to Appearances, Themes, and you add and install Hello Elementor theme. After that, you delete all the other themes that are already installed as you do not need them, they just slow down your website. Then again, go to Add New, Upload Theme and import the child theme that you have downloaded with your purchase. Next thing you do, you need to install the Elementor plugin and activate it. Here you do not need to do anything, just skip all the parts, as we will set up everything later. You can activate containers and other new features with newest Elementor, except editor top bar, which is having some problems. Now again, go to plugins, add new and install essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and activate it. For this website to work, you need to have an Elementor Pro license, so follow the link in the description and buy your license. Elementor Pro is a really good page builder, so I really recommend you to get the Pro version as it has a lot of features. So after purchasing your license and after you have downloaded the zip file, you need to upload it to your website. So go to Plugins, add new, upload plugin, and just upload the zip file and activate the plugin. Now all that is left to do is you need to connect and activate your license. Now go to Pages, All Pages, and delete the pages that have already been there as you don't need them. You do the same with the posts. Now to upload the kit, you go to Elementor, Tools, Import Export Kit and click on Start Import and upload the zip files you have downloaded and click Next and click Import. Here you just put Enable and now everything is on the site. It needs just a few moments to set up everything correctly and here you go. You have already a website that looks like this. You just need a little bit of tweaking, importing your media files, your content, maybe adding your branding colors and so on, adding pages. Here we can see that there's no logo. So to fix that, we would just go to Customize, then click on Site Identity and up here select Logo and just select upload the logo you would want to have there, crop it if you wish, and that is it. You can also add favicon. Now you can just edit and customize the website to your liking. Just click on Edit with Elementor on whichever page you like. Add your content, erase content, do as you please. Edit media, change the background photos to whatever you want. Change background colors to your branding colors. Here you can just play around, do as you wish. These are the site setting colors that I've added. You can use those as well. Edit your client testimonials, edit your numbers and projects, or you can use it for something else. Edit your forms. Add some new containers, some images maybe you would want to add. Here I will add some content. And yeah, it's just so easy to do it. And you can create whatever you want. Now I'm going to edit the header section. So you can edit it as you wish. Add some other social media. I'm not going to save this, but you get the idea. You can do whatever you want. So yeah. Now you created your own website. I hope this tutorial was easy enough to follow along. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on my email in the description box down below, or you can just comment on this video and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and bye.